Hello and welcome back to Hebrew with Ben. In this lesson, we will be talking about Kamatz Katan. You probably recognize the name Kamatz from the first lesson in this course. Kamatz Katan looks the same as Kamatz Gadol, but indicates a different vowel sound. It indicates the vowel O. Let me clarify this with the following table. As you can see, the shape of the Nikud sign is identical. Both Nikud signs look the same. The names are similar. One is called Kamatz Gadol or Big Kamatz, and the other is called Kamatz Katan or Small Kamatz. The big difference is the vowel they indicate. This raises an important question. When reading a text in Hebrew, how do you know which Nikud it is? Well, as you can expect, the answer is practice and experience. Experience is not the entire story. There is also grammatical logic to it, but understanding when to use a certain Nikud sign requires an understanding of advanced Nikud rules, and this is beyond the scope of this lesson. I show an example of these rules in a different lesson. You can find the link in the description. Anyway, in most cases, when you see a kamatz in text, it is a kamatz gadol with the sound of A. Let's see some examples. Look at the word on the screen. At first glance, we see two kamatz signs. The first one is decorating the letter Chet, and the second one is decorating the letter Mem. The first kamatz is a kamatz katan, adding the sound of O to the consonant Chet. The syllable sound is Cho. Cho. The second kamatz is a kamatz gadol, adding the sound of A to the consonant Mem. The syllable sound is Ma. Ma. The complete word pronunciation is Chochma. Chochma. Take a second to understand this. The kamatz looks the same but creates a different vowel sound. Next word is Tzohoraim. Tzohoraim. The first letter, Tzadi, is decorated with kamatz katan, giving us Tzo. Tzo. Can you identify another Nikud sign we have already learned? Look at the letter Resh. It is decorated with Patach, creating the syllable Ra. The next word is Shorashim. Shorashim. The first letter is Shin, which is decorated with Kamatz Katan. Can you identify another Nikud sign we have already learned? We have the letter Resh decorated with Kamatz Gadol. To complete the word pronunciation, we see the last syllable is Shim. To conclude, Kamatz Katan indicates the sound of O. In the last part of the lesson, we will see practice words. Your goal is to read the syllables created by the Nikud signs we have recently learned. I will pronounce each complete word after several seconds. The words are Tochna, Tochna, שורשים, שורשים. מוחרתיים, מוחרתיים. אסנת, אסנת. צהריים, צהריים. Here are the highlighted קמץ קטן syllables. That is all for today. In the next lesson, I will teach you how to read חטף קמץ. If you have any questions, leave them in the comments below. Thank you for watching. See you next lesson.